Portal is a little device that we make. What we do is we install it into handicap accessible door motors, and that enables people that use Portal to download an app on their smartphone, and the app is what enables them to open up doors hands-free.
Portal is like in a beta phase right now, so we're slowly building and releasing new versions of it all the time. And then once we actually take that through manufacturing by the end of the year, we expect to be in around 1,000 doors by the beginning of next year. And at that point, we can actually start picking up the phone call and starting to make sales. So we hope to continue to grow quickly after that.
Starting out with the Crocker Fellowship, we had a lot of mentors in there that helped us. And then we went through Social Venture Academy with the Ballard Center, which was super helpful. And then the Rollins Center has helped us kind of just like find mentors and people that can help us. So Scott Peterson has been super helpful. We've been able to win a lot of competitions, which allows us to actually keep working.
And as we won these competitions, we were able to have a greater outreach to other people. People were able to understand what we're trying to do at Portal, and thereby spreading awareness about accessibility issues on a larger scale.
Josh, Sam, and I, we actually worked on a totally different startup for a few months before Portal. Totally unrelated, completely different idea, disaster, total failure. But we learned how to work together. We learned what each other were good at.
On the tech side, it's pretty much every day is failure after failure after failure, trying to refine the product and trying to even get something that actually works.
I think we've narrowed down every way not to do it, so we're getting pretty close.
I think it's really neat to use some of my own skills to help somebody who is a little bit disadvantaged in a certain way and just make their life a little bit easier. And it's like super fun for me anyways. So the fact that it's really helping to change somebody's life in a small way, but for them I think it's a little bit of a big deal. It feels good.
One of the most rewarding things about building Portal is building these new experiences that people take for granted. So like for me, getting through a door is no problem. But to be able to provide a system that is even more accessible for people with mobile disabilities than it is for me, and bringing that experience to them and being able to design that experience is really, really satisfying.